everyone and welcome to Big Data Knowledge Hunt. In the today's video we will be seeing a Navy bias example. This is the second numerical example. Link to the first example will be in the description. I have already explained what is mean by Navy bias algorithm, what are the different types of models in it, and the one of the numerical. This is the second numerical we will be taking. So this is the numerical given here, which is of a car which has its color, type and origin. Here D means domestic and I means imported. So that car is stolen or not, this is the data given here. 10 instances are given and the question is, if the color is red, the type is SUV and the origin is domestic, what will be the value? It will be stolen or not? That we have to find out. So this is the instance which we have to find out, and they have given the 10 instances data. Now, before starting, we know that in Navy bias algorithm, we have to calculate the three probabilities. That is the prior probability. First is the prior probability, next is the conditional probability, and the third one is the posterior probability. So, we will go one by one. So, in the step 1, we will go calculate the prior probability. So, we will calculate the probability of yes and the probability of no. So, the probability of yes is equal to, we have to calculate how many total number of entries are there. There are 10 entries. Out of that, how many are yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 are yes. So the probability value will be 0.5. This is the prior probability for yes. Similarly, probability of no is equal to, there are 10 values out of which 5 are no. If you want to calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are no. So the value will be 0.5. So this is the step 1. We have calculated the prior probabilities. Now the step 2 is, we have to calculate the conditional probabilities. So the conditional probability are depend on these of the conditions, that is the color, type and origin. So we will prepare the table for it. So first we will prepare for yes. So we will write color, yes and no. Okay, so we have two colors. First is the red, second is the yellow. So we will prepare a table and we will calculate the probabilities for the color yes and no. Now we know how many total number of yes are there? 5. So everywhere we have to write 5 because no's are also 5. So the dividend at this side it will be 5 because total number of yes are 5, total number of no's are 5. So we have to see in red how many yes are there. So in red 1 yes, 2 yes, 3 yes are there. So it will be 3 by 5 and no are 1 and 2. So it will be 2 by 5. Similarly we have to calculate for yellow. Okay. This is the conditional probability. This type of table we have to form for all the three conditions, means all the three classes. So we have color, type and origin. Now we will do same thing for the type. First is the sports, next is the SUV. In the division size it will be already 5. And we will check in the sports how many times yes is there. So that will write the value. So I have previously done the calculation. So easily I can write it here. Similarly we will do for the third table also. Now I have the numerical rotated here. So I will erase this table so that it will be easy for me for the calculation. Okay. Now the third table is for the origin. So origin is domestic and imported. Yes and no. This is our step 2. In that we have calculated the conditional probability for the three things, that is color, type and origin. So these are the tables that we get for the conditional probabilities. Now we will move to the step 3. Now the step 3 is, calculate the posterior probability. So the posterior probability calculation is based on the prior and the conditional probability. Now we have to calculate for the instance. The instance given to us was, the question was, red should be the color, SUV should be the type, and domestic should be the origin. What will be the value? Now first we'll calculate probability for yes for the given instance. Okay. What it will be? The color we want is red, so it will be probability of red of yes. First we have to write the into probability of type is SUV. So SUV of yes into probability of domestic of yes into probability of yes. So this will be the value for the probability of yes of instance. Now we have all these values. We can see probability of red of yes is 3/5 into probability of SUV of yes is 1/5 into probability of domestic of yes is 2/5 into probability of yes is 0.5. So these are all of the values which we have to calculate, and if we do this calculation we will get the value of 0.024. So this we got the value for probability of yes for this instance. Similarly we have to calculate the value of probability of no for the given instance. It will be same, probability of red of no into probability of SUV of no into probability of domestic of no. So we know probability of red of no is 2/5 into probability of SUV of no is 3/5 into probability of domestic of no is again 3/5 and into probability of no is 0.5. So if we do all of this calculation, we will get the value of 0.072. So this is the two values that we got for probability of yes of instance and probability of no of instance. Now if you see the value carefully, probability of no of instance is greater than probability of yes of instance. It's 0.072 whereas it is 0.024. So this value is greater. So if these are the instances, then the output will be no. The car will not be stolen. If the color of car is red, if the type is SUV, and if the origin is domestic, then the car will not be stolen. So the value will be no for this particular instance. So this is the way of solving the numerical by using the Navy Bayes algorithm. I hope everyone is clear with the idea. If anyone have any doubts, you can connect me on Instagram or let me know in the comment section. And for more such videos, stay tuned toward the channel. Make sure you subscribe it. Thank you everyone for watching the video.